Plant FAQs, Caladium Aran. Caladium Aran, your guide to the striking angel wings. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Furbu here, and today we're diving into the world of Caladium Aran, also known as the angel wings. This stunning foliage plant boasts a unique beauty that thrives in shady corners and adds a touch of drama to any space. If you're considering bringing a Caladium Aran into your home or garden, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about this tropical gem. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. What is Caladium Aran? Caladium Aran is a tuberous perennial belonging to the Caladium family. It's a tropical wonder known for its large, heart-shaped leaves with a captivating color combination. The center of each leaf is a luminous white, edged by a contrasting dark green border. The leaves are held aloft on slender, upright stalks, creating an elegant, airy presence. Is Caladium Aran easy to care for? Absolutely. Caladium Aran is considered an easy-to-care-for plant, making it perfect for both seasoned gardeners and beginners. Here's a quick rundown. Light. Caladium Aran prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Temperature. This tropical beauty thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Humidity. Caladium Aran appreciates high humidity. You can mist the leaves regularly or use a humidifier to create a more tropical environment. Soil. Well-draining, fertile potting mix is ideal. With proper care, your Caladium Aran will reward you with vibrant foliage throughout the summer. How big does Caladium Aran get? Caladium Aran is a relatively tall caladium variety, reaching heights of 12 to 16 inches, 30 to 40 centimeters, with a spread of 10 to 12 inches, 25 to 30 centimeters. Its compact size makes it a great choice for containers or smaller gardens. Can Caladium Aran live outdoors? Yes. Caladium Aran can thrive outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 8B, 10, where temperatures stay consistently warm. However, if you live in a colder climate, it's best to enjoy Caladium Aran as a houseplant and bring it indoors before the first frost. How do I propagate Caladium Aran? Caladium Aran can be propagated by division of the tubers in spring. Here's a simplified approach. Carefully remove the Caladium Aran from its pot. Using a sharp knife, cut the tubers into sections, ensuring each section has at least one growth point. Repot each tuber section in a well-draining potting mix and water thoroughly. Provide bright, indirect light and maintain consistent moisture. With a little patience, you'll soon have new Caladium Aran plants to grace your space. Caladium Aran versus other caladiums. What's the difference? There are hundreds of caladium varieties, each with unique leaf patterns and colors. Here's a quick comparison of Caladium Aran with two popular choices. Caladium White Christmas. This variety boasts a similar white and green color scheme, but with more marbled patterns on the leaves. It also grows slightly taller than Caladium Aran. Caladium Candidum. This caladium features stunning white leaves with a faint green edge. Unlike Caladium Aran's heart-shaped form, Candidum's leaves are more rounded and broader. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and desired aesthetic. Where can I buy Caladium Aran? Caladium Aran is readily available at many online plant retailers and local nurseries. Look for tubers or established plants during the spring and summer months. Bonus tip: Caladium Aran, like other caladiums, is toxic if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. By following these simple tips, you can successfully cultivate and enjoy the stunning beauty of Caladium Aran in your home or garden. With its easygoing nature and captivating foliage, this tropical wonder is sure to become a cherished addition to your plant collection.